in Phillipsburg. Wind from this evening to Sunday morning. Impacts at 18.0 feet. Water from the Delaware causes flooding in Easton along the Lehigh River at 20.0 feet. Minor flooding begins upstream in Harmony Station, New Jersey, and Vance Eddy, Pennsylvania. At 24.0 feet, Larry Holmes Drive in Easton is subject to flooding. Riverside Way in Phillipsburg is flooded in the area of the boat track. At 25.0 feet, portions of Bushkill Drive and Route 611 are flooded due to a combination of Delaware River flooding and backwater effects on Bushkill Creek. Additional details, at 2:30 p.m. Friday the stage was 19.3 feet. Forecast, the river is expected to rise above flood stage late this evening to a crest of 24.3 feet tomorrow morning. It will then fall below flood stage early Sunday morning. Flood stage is 22.0 feet. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 25.2 feet on August 29, 2011. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. Minor flooding is forecast. Where? Delaware River Regalsville. Wind from late tonight to early Sunday morning. Impact at 14.5 feet. The entrance to Bill Island State Park is closed. Unsafe to cross over to Treasure Island Scout Camp. At 15.0 feet, Treasure Island Scout Camp floods. At 18.0 feet, River Road floods in Cohaston Township, north of the bridge. At 22.0 feet, Cohaston Creek floods Creek Road due to high and backwater from the Delaware River. The Musconetcong River also floods Mount Pleasant Road due to high and backwater from the Delaware River. Additional details, at 1:30 p.m. Friday the stage was 18.7 feet. Forecast, the river is expected to rise above flood stage just after midnight tonight to a crest of 23.4 feet tomorrow morning. It will then fall below flood stage late tomorrow evening. Flood stage is 22.0 feet. Flood history. This crest compares to the previous crest of 23.8 feet on October 16, 1955. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood.